Assalamu alaikum guys.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम मैम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम मैम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
Those who have not yet purchased the book, via publication material, just go to the shop and purchase the book. Okay. Okay. So here today we are going to start a new topic, that is the ecological pyramid. So first, what is ecological pyramid that we are going to see? Then what are the various types in that we are going to see? Okay. So here we are human beings, right? So we are going to eat what? There are certain vegetarians, there are non-vegetarians too, right? So we are dependent, right? We are dependent upon the plants, we are dependent upon the farmers. The farmers are going to provide us the food grain, the farmers are going to provide us the leafy vegetables, so many vegetables they are going to provide. And even we are dependent upon certain animals for meat, right? So here, as we are non-vegetarian, we do eat meat. So here, we are surviving on the when we are dependent upon others. Here, we are not producing our own meat. We are going to hunt the animals and we are going to take the meat from them, and a delicious recipe will be cooked. Okay. So here, as we are dependent in the same way, the insects, the microorganisms, the animals, either it is herbivores or else carnivores, even they are dependent, right? Do you know there are certain plants which eats insects? You might have heard that the insects eat the plants, but there are certain plants which are going to eat the insects. If any insect sit on the leaves of that plant, then directly that plant will take that insect inside it. They are going to eat that insect. So let's see what are the various types of ecological pyramids. Okay. So, what is actually ecological pyramid? Ecological pyramid means that here just the food chain levels, the level of food chain. So here the level of food chain is going to change according to the tropical levels, according to the levels of uh, ecosystem. In our ecosystem, there are so many types of animals, so many types of insects, birds. So there are certain birds who are herbivores, there are certain birds who are carnivores, and there are certain animals who are herbivores who are going to eat the plants, okay, leafy things, and there are certain animals who are going to eat only the flesh, so they are regarded as carnivores. Okay, so here there will be primary consumers, secondary consumers, and tertiary consumers. Primary consumers means they are going to directly eat the producers. Who are the producers? Yesterday we have seen producers are nothing but the plants are the producers. So here pyramid. What do you mean by pyramid?
Triangular shape.
Yes, it's a triangular shape according to the level, according to the size it is arranged, right? So here also ecological pyramid. We are going to see how the plants, insects, carnivore animals or birds are arranged in the ecosystem. Okay, how they are dependent upon each other. You might have seen not Tom. You might have seen cat and rat. The cat is always looking for the rat, right?
Yes.
So here the cat food is what rat. So the cat is dependent upon the rat. So here also, even what the cat is dependent, the rat is dependent upon some other food grains, whatever the food items the rat will get, the rat will eat. Okay, so in this way, they are dependent upon each other. That only we are going to see here. Okay. So here the producers are nothing but the green plants. The consumers are the herbivores, and the secondary consumers, primary consumers are herbivores, which are going to directly eat the plants. Grasshopper will be there. You are having plants. The plants are the producers. A grasshopper will be there, which will be in green color. So that grasshopper hopper, what it will do, it will eat the plant. So this grasshopper is a primary consumer. Why the grasshopper is a primary consumer? Why? Because it is directly consuming the plants. That is why it is regarded as the primary consumer. And this grasshopper will be eaten by the lizard. Okay, the lizard is going to eat the grasshopper. So here the lizard will be a secondary consumer. Okay, first thing is that the plants were eaten by the grasshopper, and the grasshopper has eaten the grasshopper was eaten by the lizard. So now lizard is a carnivore. Lizard eats insects, right? So here the lizard is the secondary consumer, and the lizard will get eaten by the hawk. Hawk is a territory consumer. Why? Because here when the grasshopper is going to eat the plant, the complete energy, the essential energy will the grasshopper will get that energy. But whereas when the lizard is eating the same grasshopper, the lizard may not get that complete energy. So what energy already the grasshopper was having, that energy the lizard will get, and the lizard will get eaten by the hawk. Okay, so hawk is the top carnivore, the territory consumer. So in this way, here the pyramid is structured. Here you can see this. Later on, I will show you the images. So here ecological pyramids are nothing but the graphical representations of the trophic structure of ecosystem. Trophic structure of ecosystem means in our ecology, in our ecosystem, what are the various birds, animals, who are the producers, consumers, carnivores, herbivores, that will be uh, organized into one line pattern. So trophic levels are the feeding position in a food chain, such as primary producers, herbivores, primary consumers, etc. So here feeding positions in the food chain. In the food chain, if you see the food chain, one insect or else the producers are dependent upon the insects, lizards, hawks, rabbits, rat, cat, fish, prawns, jackals, deers. Everyone is dependent upon each other here. Okay. Here jungle ka raja hai, the lion can eat any animal, right? So here the all the animals will have a fear from the lion that any time, any day the lion will eat us. So here in this way the food chain is going to continue here. Okay. So here the three types of ecological pyramid are there. The first is pyramid of numbers, then comes pyramid of biomass, and the third is pyramid of productivity. So first we will see what is pyramid of numbers. So here pyramid of numbers. So here this pyramid of number is formed on the basis of abundance of the trophic level. Abundance means जो सबसे ज़्यादा रहता. Okay, in a tropical area, whatever the things, either the producers, carnivores, herbivores, whatever is in too much quantity, whatever it is in large quantity will form the base. Here you can see the plants are there. Okay, here in the base you are seeing the plants are there, right? So here the plants are nothing but they are the producers. So the plants are higher in quantity, they are larger in quantity. So that is why they are forming the base here. Okay. Here you can see large number of producers tend to form the base. Lower number of top carnivores occupy the tip. So here the so here the tip will be covered by which are least in number, which are less in number, that are carnivores. So here the first thing that I will explain you, the pyramid of numbers. On the basis of numbers, this pyramid is structured. Okay. So here which is higher in number, the plants are higher in number. They are the producers. They are going to produce their own food. Okay. Then comes here mice is there, which are the primary consumers. Okay. So these mice are going to eat these plants and they are going to take the plant's energy is taken by these mice. And here there is a secondary consumer, that is the snakes, which is going to eat these rats, which is going to eat these mice. Okay. So here the energy of this mice will get transferred to the snake and the snake will get eaten by the hawk. Okay, the hawk is a territory consumer, the top carnivore. Okay, the hawk will hunt the snakes. So here, which are highest in number will be placed at bottom and which are least in number will be placed at top. Okay, so this is the pyramid of numbers. Any doubt in this?
No.
No,
So
ma'am.
as the producers are maximum, the producers will get consumed by these herbivores, which are less in number, and herbivores which will get consumed by the carnivores, which are less in number. And again, the snake will get consumed by the hawk, which is a territory consumer, the top carnivore. So here the number of these insects, animals is getting decreased. Jasa jasa if you are moving upward, you will see that the number is getting decreased. Okay, clear up to here?
Yes, ma'am.
So here they have given one more example. You can take the pond system, right? So it depends upon the ecosystem to ecosystem. The first one which we have seen, it was about the land. Now what we are seeing is all about the under the water aquatic ecosystem. Under the water, what will happen? So in the depth of the ocean, or else in the depth of the ocean, what you will see, there will be so many aquatic animals. So in aquatic ecosystem and grassland communities, autotrophs are present in large numbers per unit area. So here they are autotrophs, the fishes, prawns, so many water aquatic animals will be there. So here they support a lesser number of herbivores, which in turn support fewer carnivores. So here you can see here, the first is the grassland, what you are seeing. So on this grassland, there are certain some other aquatic animals, zooplankton. They are dependent. First, they are going to eat these grasslands. They will get energy, and this zooplankton, the small uh, aquatic animals, they will get eaten by the big fishes, crabs. Okay. So all these big fishes will get eaten by large fish. That is nothing but you can any large fish or else whale will be there in the ocean. So the whale is going to eat these big fishes. Okay, or else you can take. I will tell you. Producers are the green plants. The green plants will the prawns will eat these green plants and the prawns will get eaten by the small fishes. Prawns को कौन खाते? Small fishes. Small fishes को कौन खाते? बड़ी
Large
fish.
fish.
Yes, large fish. So in this way, here even under the water, the pyramid, the ecosystem is here. The even the animals are dependent upon each other. So here the whale may eat so many fishes, around 100 fishes. Why? Because it is too big in size, right? Even though here the survival is dependent on upon each other. So everyone is getting their own food, right? Clear the pyramid of numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Till now, we were seeing about the inverted, the not this one, spindle-shaped pyramid. The producers were larger in number. Then comes this herbivores. Then comes the carnivores. You don't have to study advantages and all that. Then comes the pyramid of biomass, which is the second in number. Okay. So here, what is biomass that we are going to see? So biomass means the mass of the living organisms. So either it is plants, animals, microorganisms, uh, that will come under the mass. Okay, the energy. So here, so under the pyramid of biomass, here the animals, the insects are based on the weight of the organisms per each unit for each area or else for the tropical region. Okay. So here also what they have given is the graphic representation of biomass present per unit area of different trophic levels with producers at the base and top carnivores at the tip. So here at the base we are getting the producers and at the top we are getting the carnivores. Okay. How the biomass is calculated? The biomass is calculated by the mass of each individual into number of individuals at each trophic level. Okay. The mass of each individual into the number of individuals at each trophic level. So here at each level, their trophic level, the animals are getting changed here. Okay, they are getting declined. As we move upwards we will see they have declined. Okay, quantity यहाँ पे क्या हो रही, numbering कम होते जा रही. Okay. So under pyramid of biomass, here there is producers green plants. These green plants को कौन खाते हैं? The rabbit will be there, the deer will be there. So they are going to eat these green plants. So if there is 1,000 kg of these plants, there will be 100 kg of herbivores. Okay. Then on the top here, you will see primary carnivore, that is jackal is there, which is going to eat this rabbit. Uh, the jackal will eat either the deer or else the rabbit. So here the jackal is the number of jackal have declined, that is 10 kg. It is a primary consumer, and this jackal will get eaten by the lion. Lion is only one lion, that is 1 kg you can take here. That is a top carnivore. Okay. So this is the upright pyramid, means moving upwards. So here the biomass is shown here. So at each trophic level here, the mass is getting declined. First it was 1,000 kg, then it has decreased to 100 kg, then again it have declined to 10 kg, then the last it is 1 kg only. Okay.
Why it is decreasing, ma'am? Why the
See, ma, if you directly consume something, then you will get the too much energy, lot of energy. Okay. Suppose you will take, if you chew the food properly, suppose you just take an apple, and if you chew that apple properly and if you eat, you will get lot of energy from that apple, right? The complete nutrients, proteins, whatever is there in that apple, you will directly receive that. If you are going to peel that apple, if you are going to peel the skin of the apple, then you are going to put it into the juicer and you are going to extract the juice. The residue will be thrown away and you are just going to take the juice. So in that juice you may not get that too many proteins as compared to what you have eaten. Okay, so when you are eating the apple by properly chewing, in that case you will get so many nutrients. But whereas when you are going to make a juice, first of all you are going to peel off the skin and you are going to throw it, then you are going to extract the juice by adding certain sugar or something. Okay, so and the residue of that apple you are going to throw it away. So only the liquid form, that is the juice, you are going to take. So this juice may not have those complete nutrients as compared to the complete one apple what you are consuming. So here also the same method is applied. When this rabbit or deer is going to eat the plants, they are going to get that complete nutrients. Why? Because the plants are going to produce their own food, right? So from the producers, these herbivores are going to consume that. So directly they will get the nutrients, they will get the energy. So when this jackal is going to eat either the rabbit or else the deer, in that case the jackal may not get that complete energy as this rabbit has received from the plants. So here this jackal will get eaten by the lion and the lion may not get that much energy as from the producers this rabbit is taking. Okay, so that is nothing, that it is showing, this pyramid is showing that how the energy is getting transferred and it is declining. Okay. So here then comes the pyramid of productivity, the pyramid of energy. So here it is the graphic representation of the energy is flowing through each trophic level. So here either it is producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumers. So here the energy is flowing at each level. This is the food chain. Okay. So here the plants prepare their own food, right? The plants prepare their own food with the help of the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is their cooking bowl. In that, they are going to cook their food. So the green pigment under which the food is cooked, and they are going to take the energy from the sunlight. They are going to take the energy from the sun, and they are going to cook their. The plants are going to cook their food. Okay, so here when they are going to produce their own food, they are going to cook their own food. In that case, they may require too much of sunlight. Okay, they are dependent upon the sunlight. They are going to take the energy from the sun. So here you can see the primary producers. They are taking the complete energy of the sun and they are going to cook their food. But whereas the primary consumers, either it is butterflies or else a grasshopper, so all the insects or else honeybee, what they are doing, they are going to sit on these flowers or else they are going to sit on the leaves and they are going to eat that. What the honeybee will do, they are going to extract the juice from the flowers, and what the rest of the insects will do, they are going to eat away those either the flowers or else the leaves. Then the rat is there which is going to eat those primary consumers, and the rat will get eaten by the territory consumers, that is the snake. So here they are going to utilize the less energy, they are going to utilize the less energy from the sun. Here, the most of the energy is consumed by the primary consumers, whereas the top carnivore is going to utilize the less energy, is getting the less energy, whereas that herbivores are going to take the too much energy. Why? Because they are going to directly consume the products. Okay. Now answer your attendance. Shalibanda. No, what I should. Okay. Malakpet generals, raise your hand first. Last 10 minutes are there. So make it fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Malakpet computers. कल सोच सोच के हाथ में उठाओ, जल्दी से हाथ उठाओ आप लोग. Okay, 10 students. Now, Shalibanda computers, raise your hands. And those who are unable to raise their hand, you can put the message in the public in the chat. Malakpet, you can put your hand down. Okay, computers, you can put your hand down. Generals, Shalibanda generals, raise your hand. Shalibanda computers, you can put your hand down. Khadija, Usra Zaki, Karimunnisa, Bibi Zainab. That's all, 4 students. Okay, you can put your hand down, girls. So those who are unable to give the attendance by raising your hand, just mention in the chat. Okay. Sayyida Armana, Sayyida, another is Fatima from Malakpet. 2 students' name I got. Alvia, Shalibanda Computers. Okay, anyone else? अमरीन बेगम शालीबंडा कंप्यूटर। इतनी देर बाद याद आई अमरीन। एनीवन लेफ्ट? और कोई है?
आवाज कम करो।
So this was about the ecological pyramid. In this way, we have seen that here under the ecosystem, the birds, the plants, the insects, the carnivores, primary carnivores and the secondary carnivores, they are dependent upon each other. The food chain is getting continued. So this is the food chain here. So any doubt in this?
आवाज क्या तुम्हें आ रही?
आप लोगों को मालूम है आप लोग ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में है। तो अपना माइक म्यूट करके बैठना। आप लोग को ये नहीं मालूम? Daily I should tell to each and everyone that mute your mic.
बस
Okay, tomorrow can you people, today can you people come at 5 p.m. for the online class? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
एक जने yes मत बोलो. You people just raise your hand. Those who want to come online for 5 p.m. class. What about the rest of the students who don't? You people don't want to come? Khamar Banu from Malakpet, Alvia Shehriar, Asima Fatima, Fatima from Malakpet, Lubna Hamid, Mahin Naz, Mahsera Fatima, मारिया खान। अच्छा आप लोग फिर रमजान में आते क्लास अटेंड करने गर्ल्स? हाँ
No,
रमजान
ma'am.
में सेम ये टाइम पे आ सकते हैं आप लोग?
no.
सो जाते हैं ना
No.
पूरे? सैरी करके
Yes.
थक जाते हैं
Yes.
फिर?
Ma'am, 5.
5 नहीं होता वो तो 5:30 to 6 रख देंगे क्योंकि आप लोग जब तक अचर भी पढ़ ले सकते हैं फिर ये क्लास हो के बाद में मगरिब पढ़ लेना। मगरिब की अज़ान 6 बजे के बाद ही होती ना।
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. That's good.
ओके
Okay, ma'am. 5:30.
There are 3 more questions in this unit that we have to study. Then after that we are going for the unit number 2. Okay. Okay, just tell me what environmental studies you people have studied at intermediate level. Is it the same? पहले जो
intermediate-
आप पढ़े वैसे थे?
We did not study
Little
actually,
bit.
ma'am.
आप
Some
लोग खाली
topics
कॉपी
are
करके लिख
similar,
लिए वहां
ma'am.
पे। यहाँ
Yeah,
पे आप
in
लोगों को
10th,
पढ़ना है था देखो।
ma'am, in 10th we study the same.
Okay.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
girls, you are at degree level, so in degree you cannot copy and write. You have to learn the answers. Either रट्टा मारो या फिर याद करो, क्या करते करो. Either you mug up the answer or you learn. You have to write the exam. Okay. Here we don't allow you people to copy. Actually, this exam was conducted at your external center. जहाँ पे center पड़ता ना वहीं पे होता था ये exam. And we can hope that this exam will be conducted at a different center. कॉलेज में होता है इसकी भी गारंटी नहीं है. So just study well. Okay. रमजान में इवनिंग में नहीं हो सकता माँ. सब लोग थक जाते हैं, फिर घर के काम में रहते हैं, सहरी की तैयारी रहती. इवनिंग में नहीं हो सकता. ओके.
अब तो भी है मैम हम लोग एग्जाम.